Welcome back to holiday look number 2 using the Sassy eyeshadow palette from LaColors. This is my favorite look so far that I've done with these palettes. It's beautiful. It's so glamorous. Perfect for the holidays. And to get started, you always want to prime your eyelids. And then we need some powder to catch some fallout. We're picking up the LaColors Sassy eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to be using Skin Tone Brown or tan shade for a transition color, and that's just going to help for blending and just more of a fade in the end. So we're going to be picking up the dark plummy shade from the eyeshadow palette, and this shade is gorgeous. Now I'm picking that up on a pencil brush, and I'm really going to work that in the crease. This shade, even though it swatches super dark and pigmented, on the brush it works a little bit different. You have to really work with the color and build it up, and the color sometimes is a little bit grabby in some areas, but you just have to keep working with it. Now overall I think it's such a beautiful shade that I would work with it time and time again. Now we're flicking the eyeshadow out here. We're not making so much of a rounded edge, but more of a sharp, wingier edge, if that makes sense. Just a little bit different dimension to the look than I normally do, so that's why I chose to do that. And I'm taking a clean blending brush. I'm taking a blending brush and blending down all the edges to that. I'm going to reapply the purple, and you'll see that a lot in this video. I will continuously go back over the purple, building it up, getting it to where I want it, blending it out, reapplying the shade. Using the LaColors single eyeshadow in French Vanilla that I got for 50 cents at the Dollar General. It's actually a really nice highlight. It claims to be matte. It's really not. It's more of a satin. And I'm using concealer from Covergirl to carve out my lid. So I'm just going to apply that and start cutting the crease with it. And then now that we have that, I'm taking this beautiful first shimmery shade in the eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to generously pat that on the lid and blend a little as I go. And this is a very nice shade. I do suggest using some kind of secondary base, like the concealer kind of acted like a secondary base for this shade to have something to adhere to. And we're just relining our crease line, and we're going to do some more blending. And make sure the lightest shade goes in the inner corner as well, so it can draw light into your eye. It's not so closed off. So on the sponge tip applicator, we're going to bring the beautiful plum shade down on our lower lash line. And in this look, I am going to opt for a nude lash line or lower waterline, so the eye isn't completely closed off. And I'm going to take a Q-tip and clean that lash line out as well. And that was Jordana's 24-hour eyeshadow pencil in Continuous Almond. We're going to do a very thin strip of liquid liner, and we're going to tight line our upper lashes with the Milani Stay Put eyeliner. And we're going to be using the Loreal Lash Paradise mascara, which this mascara lengthens, separates, and gives a ton of volume, so I thought it was perfect for this dramatic look. And I could see this being such a beautiful look for New Year's Eve, or some other holiday special occasion party thing. Very beautiful, very glamorous. We're adding Kleancolor's liquid eyeshadow in Howl on top, and it's literally a silver glitter. It's not super overpowering, but it's there. You can see it in the sunlight and stuff. It's very beautiful. And for lips, we're going to be using this beautiful AOA Studio 24-hour matte lipstick in London. It's a beautiful plum matte shade, and you could use a nude lip or a very nice gloss for this, that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, found it helpful like always. Stay tuned for more holiday looks coming this week using the new LaColors holiday eyeshadow palettes. Like the video, subscribe, ring the bell if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to check the description